welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. How is everybody? Oh my god, did you have a good week so far? I had a great week so far. Yesterday I had a huge meeting about something really exciting that's coming. Okay, I can't tell you yet, but I'll tell you soon. I promise. I'll tell you soon. Guys, first off, you're gonna have to forgive this messy bun. It is hot, humid, and it's summer. This is my summer hair. Unfortunately, this is what you get in the summer. I mean, unless I freshly blow dry it and then stay inside with the air on, then I can get it straight. But if I go outside, this is it. So it's up in a bun. Anyways, on Monday, you guys know that I showed you the shelf back there. And thank you so much for your comments. Thanks, girls. I did hide the cords. It was super easy. And so many of you gave me such amazing ideas. Guess what I went with? Museum putty. Yeah, that's right. I went with the museum putty. I had it on hand. That's why I went with it. So they're all hidden. They look great. Looks fantastic. I'm going to show you the room. I'm going to stop yip-yappering and show you the room. Okay, but before I show you the room, I just want to tell you one thing. I have decorated this very simple for summer. Because, let's be honest, fall is really just around the corner. And I'm so excited to decorate for fall. Guys, okay, some of you know and some of you don't, that I went on I went shopping when my mom was here, and we kind of went a little overboard. I bought so many fall florals. I'm thinking if I should do a shopping haul after this video. Maybe I will, because this video is gonna be way too long if I add the shopping haul in here. Okay, so I'm gonna do a pop-up video for tomorrow. How about that? I'll just film it. I'll go change my shirt, and I'll film another one, and I'll show you guys all the stuff I bought with me and mom. So great. Okay, zip. I'm so sorry. Let's turn the camera around and I will show you the room. Okay guys, this is what you see from my hallway when you look into the living room. This is my living room. It's pretty much all decorated now, and I did it really simple for summer. I want to add a carpet. So you guys leave me a comment down below. Do you think I should get a carpet, and what color? Now, if you've been with me for a while, you know that everything in here is everything I had or I've hauled in a recent haul. And I just want to pan in closer and show you. I know many of you remember my big giant sectional I had in the old house. I had to split it apart. So this is the 4 seats of that couch, that sectional. And then here I put the other 2 seats. And it's okay for now. I'm going to keep it like this. And I'll just show you. I don't mind it. And then the other thing that I did is I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but my coffee table used to be very silver, and I just sprayed it lightly with a touch of champagne. Maybe if I go this way, you can see the color a little bit better. There, you can see the color a little bit better there. So it's more champagne now instead of silver. And then my end tables, I actually sprayed them black. So that's what they look like there. And sorry about the lighting, guys. Today is a really gloomy day outside. It's raining. But I just want to show you. These are the lamps that I always had. And I just put them on the end table. And then I added my pillows. Oh, this lighting is just the worst. There we go. It's a little bit better. And there you can see the pillows. And on that end table over there is just the lamp and a little greenery Okay, guys, here's my fireplace wall. I added these two little mirrors on either side of the fireplace. I hauled these for you guys. Again, this lighting is just crazy today. Let's see if I can adjust it there. Is that a little bit better? Okay, so I added these. Now, before you guys say anything, I already know they're just a tad small. But you all know that this is not my forever house. So I didn't want to go crazy and buying more stuff. I'm going to leave them for now, and you'll see as the time progresses and we get into fall and Christmas, they're going to get some little wreaths and they're going to look really cute because I have the perfect little fall wreaths for those windows. Okay, so here's my fireplace. I really like how it turned out. And if you follow me on IG, I did post this today, but I posted it with white candles and I totally forgot that I had bought those two candles there. And they're so nice, guys. Look, I'll show you. Come closer. They're so nice, these candles, and you wouldn't believe it. They're from the dollar store. The dollar store in Canada, which is called Dollarama. And then I put this decorative gate, whatever you want to call it, and I just added that Hobby Lobby wreath that I got on sale for 50% off. And this I hauled for you guys. It was from Hobby Lobby also. It says love is spoken here. And then, guys, you'll never believe this. I bought this little plant stand. It's so cute. Then the planter itself broke. And I found another one at the dollar store that fit in perfect. I put some moss from Dollar Tree. And that's a pick from Michael. So I got myself a mini little fiddle leaf tree. And that's what I really wanted. And then I had this this little votives with the roses. It comes all together. It's all glued together. I got that at Home Goods long time ago. And then down here on the hearth, I just put this vase with some pussy willows. And they're two different kinds. The ones with the little leaves, the green leaves, are from the Dollar Tree. And the other ones without the green leaves are from the dollar store. So there you can see the difference. But I think together they're really cute. The fireplace is nice. And then here's my chair. You've all seen this. Yeah, I really like how it turned out. This antique chair is really nice. And I just put these two pillows. Guys, that Blessed pillow is from Walmart 2 Easters ago. And then you've seen this. Look, no cords. I hid all the cords. There's the TV. And I just added the little garland just to kind of finish it off on the top. And that garland, again, is from my dollar store. So there you have the view. And I really like this above the TV. I think it looks really cute. I think that looks really nice up there. Okay, I don't know if I showed you this. On this little round table, I had this, guys, in my old family room. I don't know if you remember it. It used to sit at the edge of the couch. I just added a little Bath and Body Works candle. I got one of the summer ones in there. And then I put this, I think it's called lamb's ear, in this vase. And then that's like a little decorative match holder so you could light the candles. All right, I'll show you my coffee table over here. And this is so simple. Oh my God, guys, the lighting today is just bananas. Okay, it's not much. And you know what? I used to do so much more on my coffee table. But now that the TV is so much lower, I can't do as much on the coffee table. And this room is much smaller than what we had. So I just added this little tray, a little flower arrangement, a little sign, and these candle holders. And these I had made, they're those tiny little wreaths from Michael's. And I just added some tiny little lamb's ear to them. And then the battery operated candles, which those candles are birch logs. And they do come on timers. They do have timers. So they're pretty good. And then I have my one of my Bath and Body Works candles going. I can't live without those candles, guys. So yeah, there you go. There's the whole view of the family room. I'll pan around one more time so you can see it better. Okay guys, what do you think? It's so cute, right? I love it. I love it. I love how it looks. It's simple. It's easy. I know there's certain things that, like the couch. Ideally, if this was going to be my forever home, I would have got a different couch. I don't like this, like the chaise in this room. The chaise on the couch in this room isn't exactly right, but it's okay. I'm gonna keep it. I'm already looking for houses. I found a house that I love so much. Shh, can't tell you yet. But it's okay. It works. It works. I'm happy that it works. It was fun actually. It was kind of really fun going through the boxes and putting everything on the shelves where I put them, and then picking through them and thinking what kind of decor I'm gonna do for the summer. It was so much fun. Oh my God, it was so much fun. Anyways, I hope you liked the little tour. I hope you like my little family room. I love it. I love it. I think it looks great. I really do. It's comfy, it's cozy, it's airy, it's fresh, got a little bit of glam, a little bit of farmhouse. I mean, more farmhouse than glam. Who are we kidding? I think it looks great. My antique chair looks great in here. I cannot wait for fall and Christmas. Girls, I think for fall, I'm gonna go overboard. Like, overboard. Okay, I'm definitely gonna film the shopping haul right after this because I got some adorable things. There's like Ray Dunn stuff and oh my God, you name it, I got it. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Mwah. Bye YouTube, bye everybody. See you guys tomorrow, bye.